So for the 2025 market outlook, I'm in charge of writing the firm's investment outlook, the market outlook for the year. This year, I decided to write about just what I'm seeing in the market, particularly from the perspective of one of the key themes that I think is driving a lot of the current market dynamics and narratives, and that's AI. So I wanted to start from just this perspective of, what is this AI revolution that everybody's talking about? And, potentially what does that mean for the market as a whole? And kind of use that as the starting point for my market commentary. So something surprising that I found when I was researching my piece was just in looking at the data, how much sentiments have shifted, I think, over the last couple of years. Particularly one piece of data that I look at is like the Bank of America Mutual Fund Manager Survey, for example. And I go back a couple years, the data was showing that everybody was so incredibly negative and bearish. And I think over the last couple of years, we've really shifted to pretty much the opposite end of the spectrum. And now you're seeing data like cash levels within mutual funds reaching, pretty much all-time lows. So I think it's been really interesting looking at just the progressive shift in market sentiments that we've seen over the last couple of years. So what I'd like people to walk away with, just hopefully having some perspective on recent market developments and recent headlines. I think there's a lot of noise about AI and everything else. And so, I try to put things in a slightly broader perspective. I think one risk in the current environment is kind of confusing technological adoption and stock market returns and asset class returns. And these are two very, very different things. And I think it's a perspective that's important to keep in mind.